Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover World app account. So first things first, you just have to simply open your World app. So when you first created your World app account, you were given a 12-word recovery phrase. You just have to open World app, tap I already have an account, and then choose recovery with recovery phrase. Now you need to enter your 12 words in the correct order. Then your wallet and data should be restored. If you lose your recovery phase, your wallet funds may be retrievable. That's why it's critical to back it up safely. Another way is that if you have linked phone number or email, just open the application and then tap I already have an account. Choose sign in with the number or email address and then enter the code they sent to you. Your account will be restored. Just log in or just enter your email address. If you have connected your email address to your World app, and then it would be easier for you to recover your account. Without your recovery phase, phone number, email, you cannot recover the wallet. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.